Hi guys, welcome back once again on tip of the day. So today's tip of the day is for people who are suffering from oily scalp. Two tips I'm gonna give, and this is very effective. I have seen it by myself. I've tried it on people, so it really works. The first one is apple cider vinegar. Take half a cup of apple cider vinegar, mix it with 9 parts of water or more if you have a sensitive scalp as well, and then you can put it in a water like in a sprinkler, or you can also use it as a cotton pad and rub it all around your scalp. Leave it for good 10 minutes, put a shower cap and leave it for 10 minutes, and then you can rinse it off. This also helps because the apple cider vinegar has an acidic property. This helps in removing the all excess sebum or the oil in your scalp. So tip number 2 is the egg yolk. Egg yolk is a very good, it also works very good in removing the excess oil or the sebum production. So what you need to do is that mix the egg yolk with half a teaspoon, or even you can use 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, few drops of lemon, whisk it very well, apply it on section by section on your scalp, put a shower cap and leave for 20 to 25 minutes, and afterwards you rinse it off with the cold water. So when you rinse it off with the cold water, you will see that how your scalp is moisturized, all the excess oil is gone, and you will find very lighter. The other tip also I wanted to give for people who are suffering from oily scalp is that if you think washing your hair every single day will reduce the oil production in your scalp, that's a wrong impression. So do not do that, because if you do that, it will end up having more scalp or more of oil in your scalp. I hope you enjoyed the tip for the day. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. As well as if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe, like and share our video. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.